Pero sisip-sip. Lalabas natin yung tubo.
Thank you very much, Miss Nikki Hill. And now, more than that, Miss Gretchen Barreto.
Kung ang mga lalaki ay hinahamil sa lupa at ang mga babae ay hinahamil sa langit, kami mga baning ay hinahamil sa tubig. Pilit naabot ang langit para diligan ang ikang ng lupa.
Thank you so much. And now we have all the ladies.
Ay! Serve! Ruby! Ruby! Ruby!
Sige talaga? Sure? Kung ang mga kababaihan ay mga ulan at ang mga kalalakihan ay mga kulog, ang mga... yun na yun. Ladies and gentlemen, the delegates are Miss KSLRC! The final question, okay? Maybe now call on the first delegate, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Maria Rivera. Yeah.
Hala! Binastos si Marian!
Oh, yes.
Ay! Sardel! Laki-laki! Laki-laki!
Here's the question. Spell fuchsia. What is your favorite color? Spell fuchsia.
Bakit scripted?
Spell fuchsia. Pwede lang red na lang. Sige red. Spell red. R-I-D. Thank you so much, Miss Maria Rivera! Now, Miss Julia Clarete. Here's the question, Miss Julia Clarete. Roses are red, violets are blue. I am beautiful. What happened to you? Fuck you. Now maybe call her Sharon Cuneta. Here's the question, Miss Sharon Cuneta. What is your edge among other delegates here at the stage?
Edge? I'm fresh and I'm just 25 years old and that's my edge.
Bobo. Edge, hindi age tangan. Age. Edge. What's your edge?
Yun na yun.
Thank you. A round of applause for Sharon Cuneta.
Next is Miss
Isa Calzado. Here's your question. If you're gonna die tomorrow, why not today? Mauna ka, susunod ako.
Nawawala!
Next is Miss Nikki Hill. Miss Nikki
Hill, here's your question.
Yes, Joy Viado.
Question. How would you face a problem if the problem is your face?
The problem is my face, so we are facing it right now. Alam mo na may tsaka ko yun. May isip ka na iba? Wala, narinig ko ako. Oh my God!
Ivan, aside from your face, what is your problem?
You, thank you.
A round of applause for Michael Brian Flores or Nikki Hill. And last but definitely, this one and only, Gretchen Barreto.
Since I'm the most gorgeous candidate today, give me a question that is very challenging.
Challenging now, okay.
You will be an animal white horse.
If you will be an animal, why horse?
It's a very mind-boggling question. Keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Gretchen Barreto. Once again, a round of applause for our Miss KSLRC. We will now announce the top 3 semi-finalists. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes!
Our first finalist is Miss. Are you ready, Miss? Come on down, Miss Isa Manzaro.
This is the Latino Mumbai, Gretchen Barreto!
Ay, ay, ay! Wow!
The stage is yours, Miss Marianne Rivera.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Round of applause
ladies.
for our top 3.
Thank you, ladies. Okay.
A round of applause for our top 3 semi-finalists.
Thank you, Miss Nikki Hill. Thank you so much.
Talaga pumunta talaga siya ng sunglass niya. Sharon! Ay! Sir, ubarin mo na. Ay!
Ladies, can you please move backwards? Sige, mas sa final one, ladies and gentlemen. We begin with Isa Calzado. Miss Isa Calzado. Gretchen Barreto.
Miss Marianne Rivera.
A round of applause for our top 3. We already have the results. Let's go for the Miss KSLRC. Yes.
We have a result already.
First, second, runner-up, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, second runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up is none other than Miss Isa Calzado.
First up, it's very important also in this game. SLRC didn't fulfill her dream. The first runner-up will take over.